NASA is gearing up for an ambitious journey to one of the most enigmatic worlds in our solar system, Saturn's largest moon, Titan. The Dragonfly mission, a nuclear-powered drone the size of a compact car, is set to unlock the mysteries of this alluring celestial body, which could provide insights into the origins of life itself. NASA's delayed Dragonfly drone mission to Titan is now on track to launch aboard a powerful rocket in July 2028. After receiving the go-ahead from NASA, the mission team can proceed to the final design and testing phases, leading up to this revised launch date. The highly anticipated Dragonfly, built by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, will reach Titan in 2034. Over the next 2.5 years, this nuclear-powered rotorcraft is expected to perform one hop every Titan day, equivalent to 16 Earth days, surveying various pre-selected locations on the frigid moon's surface. Its mission? To hunt for prebiotic chemical processes that could offer clues to how life began. As the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere and liquid seas on its surface, Titan has captivated planetary scientists. With its methane-rich environment resembling the primordial Earth and the presence of organic materials, Titan presents a tantalizing case for potential habitability, which Dragonfly aims to investigate further. Imagine rivers of hydrocarbons flowing across this alien world, combined with the potential for life-supporting organic compounds. It's no wonder Titan has long been a subject of fascination for those seeking to unravel the mysteries of life's origins. While the Dragonfly mission faced delays due to budgetary uncertainties, NASA's proposed 2025 budget allocates $2.73 billion for robotic planetary exploration, including the now $3.35 billion Dragonfly mission. This increased cost, significantly higher than the initial $1 billion cap when selected in 2019, accounts for design iterations, pandemic-related supply chain issues, and the need for a powerful launch vehicle to compensate for the delayed arrival at Titan. Even before Dragonfly takes to the skies of Titan, its components, including control and navigation systems, have undergone rigorous testing on Earth. In July 2022, engineers flew a full-scale model over California's Imperial Dunes, which mimic Titan's organic-rich dunes, and in wind tunnels at NASA's Langley Research Center. With NASA's official confirmation, Dragonfly is poised to embark on a journey that will push the boundaries of what we can achieve with rotorcraft beyond Earth, unlocking the secrets of this enigmatic world and potentially rewriting our understanding of life's origins. As Dragonfly soars over the dunes of Titan, what discoveries await? Could this nuclear-powered rotorcraft uncover the elusive chemical signatures that precipitated life as we know it? The answers may lie beneath the murky atmospheric shroud of Saturn's captivating moon, beckoning humanity to venture forth and unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins.